Alrighty, so I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to make a laundry stain bar. I have one here. I kind of made it as an experiment and it turned out really awesome. So if you have kids that are like running and getting grass stains, right, because our kids should be outside playing and not playing on electronics. So once they get the grass stains on their pants, just get this a little bit wet and scrub it on the grass stain and throw it into the wash machine, and voila, it comes out. Same with like ink. I haven't tried permanent marker. My kids haven't done that yet, but ink pen, yep, on their pants. What else? Blueberry stains, because my kid eats a ton of blueberries. So yeah, so I'm making it. It's a 100% coconut oil bar. You would not want to use this on your skin. It'd just be drying. I mean, it wouldn't hurt you. It'd just be super drying. There's not any super fat in here. It's just the lye water, and the coconut oil. It's a super white bar. I'm actually making this because I'm going to enter it in to a soap making contest in one more month, and hopefully I do well with it. And I think I just splashed some lye on my arm, so just give me a second here. Up past where my gloves are. I'm going to rinse my arm real quick. The reason you should wear gloves, if I could find higher gloves, I probably would use them. Hazards of soap making. Get a little lye splash on your arm and it will eat your skin really quick. Always safety glasses too, right? Get nice and thick. Now I'm going to add in my fragrance, which is Kudu Blossom. I was going to save this for a shampoo bar, and then I decided shampoo bars are a nightmare. I'm just never happy with what I have made with shampoo bars. And it's probably because my hair is very chemically processed. I don't use bleach, but I use color. And for me to get to a bar that's moisturizing enough, yet doesn't leave like a waxy wax to it, and still can brush through it and all that good stuff, it's just doesn't seem to work out. But this Kudu Blossom is kind of a shampoo-y type smell, and it smells fantastic. Oh, yeah. Let's clean some clothes with this, people. So, let's see if you can see me pour here. I have a little baby mold because I'm going to make little baby bars with this. And I think I'm even going to do a pretty top here. Because why not, right? Laundry can be pretty. Oops, there's some water splash there. Let me wipe this up. Making all kinds of soap today. Made like 70 pounds of soap, and I still need to make like another 100 pounds of soap to try to get enough for all the retail stores that I'm in. I don't want them to be short on soap. Gotta keep everybody stocked up. So yeah, it's just a pretty white basic bar, and I'll tell you what, I'm really liking these basic bars. It's not that I don't like colors, but I don't know. It's just kind of cool to do something a little different than always having colors and stuff. If I recall, I think this will set up fairly quickly, like, and get hard pretty quick. So, sorry, I'm chewing gum. I'm like smacking over here like a cow. So I think I might have to cut this tomorrow, fairly early. or maybe even tonight. I'll check it because I don't want it to get into a rock and break my guitar string cutter. So that's it. Voila. That is 100% coconut oil laundry bar soap. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.